Welcome to Future Bike Hub 09. Today we are presenting one of the most exciting and legendary sport motorcycle combinations from Italian engineering, the Aprilia RSV4 and the Aprilia Tuono. These motorcycles are globally famous for their racing performance, advanced technology, and aggressive sport styling. They are designed for riders who truly love speed, power, and high-level motorcycle engineering. Let's start with the Aprilia RSV4. The RSV4 is considered a pure racing sport motorcycle built for professional track performance. Its aerodynamic fairing design helps the bike cut through air resistance, allowing smoother high-speed movement. The sharp and aggressive front profile gives it a powerful racing identity. The sporty headlight structure and racing posture show that this bike is made for performance lovers. The RSV4 is powered by a high-performance racing engine that delivers strong horsepower and fast throttle response. This engine is specially designed to provide quick acceleration, making the bike suitable for track racing and high-speed highway riding. The electronic control systems inside the bike help maintain balance, traction, and stability during fast riding conditions. Another important feature of the RSV4 is its lightweight but strong chassis structure. This helps improve cornering control and handling precision. Riders can experience better stability while taking sharp turns on racing tracks. The premium suspension system is engineered to absorb road shocks and maintain smooth riding performance even at high speed. The braking system of the RSV4 is highly advanced and responsive. High-quality disc brakes provide strong stopping power, helping riders stay safe during high-speed riding. The sport racing tires offer excellent road grip, supporting better control on both dry and smooth surfaces. Now let's talk about the Aprilia Tuono. The Tuono is a naked sport motorcycle that combines street riding comfort with sport performance technology. It is famous for its powerful torque delivery and smooth acceleration response. The Tuono provides an upright riding position, which helps riders stay comfortable during long rides. This design reduces pressure on the back and shoulders, making it more suitable for daily sport riding. The modern suspension system helps absorb road irregularities and provides a balanced riding experience. The Tuono also features a strong and efficient braking system that ensures quick and safe stopping. The wide sport tires improve road stability and allow better control while riding on curves and corners. Both the RSV4 and Tuono showcase premium Italian motorcycle craftsmanship. The racing color theme, sharp body lines, and aggressive sport design make these motorcycles stand out in modern sport bike categories. These motorcycles are specially built for speed lovers, racing enthusiasts, and professional sport riders. The powerful engine sound, aerodynamic body structure, and racing technology create an amazing riding experience. Whether you are interested in track racing, sport street riding, or high-performance motorcycles, the Aprilia RSV4 and Tuono represent true racing spirit and engineering excellence. If you enjoy powerful sport bikes, racing motorcycles, and amazing motorcycle content, please support our channel. Subscribe to Future Bike Hub 09 for more amazing bike videos.